Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this Independence Day celebration makeup because I'm just going terrace and we have to like little dress up for the event. Been to set our event, our Independence Day. Sorry, the one sticker is so above and one is so down. I don't know. Now it's okay, leave that. It will be okay. I applied the stickers and created the green eyeliner with a pair of orange lipstick, and this is the perfect and simplest makeup for our Independence Day. If you want to know how I create this look for a how I create this look, keep watching. Please ignore my pimple, it's so huge. I now leave that. I'm starting with primer. I'm using Lakme Absolute Bow Perfect Makeup Primer. I'm using setting spray from Mars Aloe Makeup Fixer. For foundation, I'm using this, my fave, and it's safe for my oily skin and my sweaty face. It is from L'Oreal Paris MAC Magique 12-hour foundation. It is the best foundation for me at the moment. That's why I'm using this. This puffer brush to blend this all out. Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Compact. It's only in one shade and it brightened my face and literally matte my face. Maybelline Fashion Brow in the color grey. I'm using this eyeliner from Stay Quirky in color green. wasn't open and I wasn't recording it. Sorry, it's my fault. I applied this blue kajal in my waterline and applied the little highlighter from Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick in rose gold. I applied this shade and lipstick for I applied this lipstick from Medora Beloved shade in 559, and to finish my face I'm using this setting spray.